how to earn money on Fiverr by video editing. So let's get started. So first and foremost, if you want to work as a video editor in Fiverr, you must have create or first you have to create your account. You must be fully verified in order for you to work here in Fiverr. And your main goal is to create or produce good quality and good feedbacks. So here what you're going to do is you just have to search for video editing. Now, what you're going to do first here is to look for those people who are doing this kind of job. So you can filter the result here according to what you like. For example, category, of course, video editing, service option, you can change that. Seller details, you can change that, budget, and delivery time. So if I tap categories here, category aside from video editing, you could also work as a social media video editor and visual effect editor, something like that. For service options, let's just say I'm looking for someone who create videos or do video editing on YouTube. Service offering, you can choose from any of this. You can skip to that if you want. Service includes, you can also tap from any here, for example, thumbnail. Okay, so let's look for those video editors who are doing or creating videos for YouTube and also create thumbnails. For seller details, you can click top rated seller, level 2 or level 1. But what you're going to do here is you have to get some ideas on these people. So since we are looking for someone as our inspiration to work as a video editor here on Fiverr, so let's tap this top rated seller. Okay, or level 2 if you want, but or of course pro if you want, if there is a pro option here. So let's tap first level 2. Let's just change it later. Seller speaks, everything the user lives in. Okay, so you can choose a specific region or country. And then after that, click apply. So the result will be according to what you have filtered here. Okay, so for budget, then let's just say you're looking for someone who offers mid-range or high-end. Okay, everything is up to you, or you can enter a specific budget for that. Then once you choose the perfect budget for you, then click apply, delivery time. So you can choose from any of the options here and then apply. Then you will see the result below. So these are the people with a level 2 with, of course, we tap level 2, right? So all the Fiverr accounts or users with level 2, you will see it right here. Now let's pick at least one editor here. So he said, or as you can see, I will be your professional video editor. Very simple, right? But as you can see, he's now level 2. Now he offers basic, standard, and premium. So for basic, this is the amount that he asks for you to purchase or to continue. And then also the inclusion of that amount. For standard, this amount. Then what's included? So you can see here up to 30 minutes footage, 5-day delivery, 3 revisions, sound design, and so on. So you can get an idea, right? Now for premium with this amount, and then the customer can avail the following here. So 6-day delivery, 4 revisions, subtitles, and so on. Now, if you want to get some idea about the gig, then you can scroll down here. So this Fiverr user provides the following services. So as you can see, he used Adobe, After Effects, Final Cut, and DaVinci Resolve. So if you know any of these editing platforms or tools, then that's a good advantage for you. Then this Fiverr account or user also provide the following services. So you can also get an idea that you can also offer the following if you know editing services, and then the reason why you should hire him. Okay, so you can also get an idea for this. And then that's it. So you can see that this first one is 4.9 and level 2. So a lot of people are trusting this Fiverr account user or editor, which is a good thing. So you can get some ideas of this, and then you can create your own account in Fiverr, and then do not copy, of course. You just have to get an idea. This is how you sell yourself. This is how you promote yourself to the customer. You can get some information and idea about the basic, standard, and premium. Okay, so let's pick another one. So we have here idea from a level 2 Fiverr account user or editor. So if you go back and then look for another editor, then if you want to filter other options right here, so feel free. So you just have to go to this area, service options, seller details, budget. Let's look for top rated seller this time. Okay. So why are they become top rated or pro in this video editing service? So let's pick one and get some idea and be inspired with how he promote himself or herself. So let's pick this person since he offers video editing about travel, commercial, wedding, video editing. Let's just say you are good at that or that is your plan. I mean, you want to be a commercial video editor or something like that. Okay, so if you tap like here, then you will see I will do exclusive travel commercial wedding video editing. So this service is offered by a pro freelancer. So as you can see, if someone is pro, then he has this experience with big companies and businesses. So as you can see, among his clients are Xiaomi, Red Bull, and so on. So I think this person is indeed a pro or really good at video editing. And below here is his sample of his output or work. And it's truly amazing, as you can see, right? Then, if you know yourself that you know how to create this one, then good for you. Okay. So, this is how he promote himself with his video and output or previous projects. So, he added, I think, more than 3 videos, or I think 4 videos here, and you can see that these are all awesome. So when you upload a sample to your Fiverr account, you have to make sure that it's also awesome and stunning so that the customer will be amazed and of course choose you. Now let's go to basic standard premium here. So this person offer the following here with this amount. Okay. And then for standard, this amount, then you can avail as a customer client, you can avail the 7-day delivery, free revisions, up to 60 minutes of footage provided, 3 minutes running time, color grading, sound design, and subtitles. For premium, you have to pay for this amount and you can get this amazing video, 10-day delivery, 4 revisions, 210 minutes, subtitles, and so on. Okay, so you can get idea. And as you can see, he has 1,600 plus likes. Okay, so about the freelancer, actually, you can add this one. You know, he gained tons of wonderful reviews and feedback. This is your goal. Okay. And then about this gig, and then you can contact this person or contact me before ordering. So here are some types of editing that he can produce or he can offer. So travel videos, wedding videos, commercial, corporate titles, photo, real estate, and others. And then as you can see, this is a bit information about the editor. Okay, he is expert in 3D animation, video editing, visual effects among his clients and his portfolio. Now his packages also below. You can also get an idea about his packages if you know some of this, like for nice video, he offers this and for cool video and for amazing video. Now, if you know any of this here, then perfect. You can now create and proceed with your Fiverr account. So now that you have the idea on what to put in the basic, standard, premium, what to put in the FAQs, description, and what are the things you need to study and to work with. So you can go back and then look for other editors here and then set them as your inspiration to start your video editing job here in Fiverr. So there are tons of professionals here, level 2, and then even new workers. You can get an idea on how they promote themselves. So as you can see this one, so I will edit your cinematic travel and drone videos professionally. If you see the output or the sample video here, then if you know how to create this one, then you can start, creating your own and then post it later in your Fiverr account. You can get an idea on his basic, standard, and premium and how he offer these services and what are the inclusions, and then even the extra gig. And then you can also compare packages, something like that. Okay, so it's a good thing that you have the idea on how to start with this. You can see about this gig that if you know how to create text animation, color correction, add watermark, royalty fee, and so on, if you just know these things, that it's okay. You can start promoting yourself and even your skills and capabilities with this knowledge that you have. And then later you can add skills once you know and once you're expert when it comes to using DaVinci, Adobe, Canva, and so on. But with what you know and your capabilities, you can start in Fiverr. Okay, you can promote yourself. You can start working with other clients. Okay, so just do not go further to those capabilities and skills that you don't know. Okay, now here's the thing: if you have this idea, and then if you wanted to really start with Fiverr as an editor, but you think that your knowledge isn't that enough, don't worry, because Fiverr also offer classes and courses to help you to enhance and level up your skills. See, if you are a video editor and you think that your skill is not enough and you want to learn more and you want to earn more and you want to level up your capability and skills, then all you have to do is avail their on-demand courses. So what you're going to do is to search for video editing if you want to learn more about video editing. As you can see, these are the people who offer online courses. For example, shooting and editing for mobile photography with this amount, iPhone photo editing with this amount. Now, if you are looking for other choices, like let's just say just editing. Okay, so you look for people who offer online courses about editing here. Okay, so you just have to type it and then tap search, and then you will see these people who offers. For example, this person shooting and editing for mobile photography. So let's just say you want to focus on mobile editing. So this person offers this. So you can see here all the information about her online course or what she offers, course syllabus, introduction, chapter 2, chapter 3, and so on. Now, after completing this course, you will be able to use and understand advanced camera feature of your phone, use photo composition, scout and plan a photo shoot, create digital art, and if you want to know more about this course, then you can go here and then read what are the things that you can get, what are the lessons that you can get, what you will learn. Okay. And as you can see, if you like this, if you want to proceed with this and pursue this course, then all you have to do is to tap this buy course and then pay this amount right here. Okay. And that's it. All you have to do is to avail and listen and contact these people in order for you to enhance your editing skills. So requirements, just internet, computer, laptop, and mobile. So what is included? Okay. So 30-day money back guarantee, English closed captions suitable for mobile desktop. And if you want to look for other people or user or other people who offer online courses, then feel free to go to the search bar and then look for that specific keyword that you want. So if you want to see this free preview, just tap that one and then you will see a bit preview about this online course. Okay. So that's it. So everything is here in Fiverr. Okay, all you have to do is to look for that specific online course that you want and then proceed and then learn. And then once everything is okay, then you can start creating your Fiverr account and then promote yourself. Anyways, when it comes to thumbnail like this, I strongly suggest to use Canva. Canva is a free editing tool for thumbnails, presentations, videos, and so on. So if you want to create a thumbnail like this, so that the customer or client will, of course, if you offer courses like this, and if you want your client to pursue with your course or your online study here, then you can create a thumbnail using Canva. Even for you, if you want to start your Fiverr account and then offer video editing, then if you look for a platform or editing tool for a thumbnail, then you can go to Canva. Okay, so let's see this one. Video production essentials, create, edit, and post online with this amount right here. So as you can see, this person offers this service or this class. So after completing this course, you will be able to learn the following here. There is this chapter, okay, pre-production, chapter 3, chapter 4, and so on about this course. So creating high quality, compelling video content. So I believe that this person is a pro, is really good at this. And then he also includes here what you will learn. So about different types of video, how to set up your own home studio, which is really good. And why you learn with this person. So here's the advantage. If you go and proceed and pursue and finish his class or online course. Okay, so here it is. Everything is here in Fiverr. And then once you have finished those online course, then you can now go back and start your own Fiverr account. And then you have to sell yourself, promote yourself. All you have to do is create samples and then post it in your Fiverr. And then the customer or client will go to your account and see your samples here. You can create a sample using CapCut, Canva, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere, and so on. So which platform you think you can use, then you can try that one to promote your sample. And if you don't know any editing software, then you can go to Google and then type editing tools. Then you can search for the samples here, the link here, and then go for further research. And once it's okay, then all you have to do is to download and try these editing tools. Okay, so as easy as that. Now, here's the thing, a video editor at Fiverr can expect to make between $4,000 to $7,000 a month in total compensation, which includes base pay and overtime. Fiverr pays its video editors an average base compensation of $5,000 per month. The average monthly bonus is zero. It may come in the form of cash, shares, commissions, profit sharing, or tips. Okay, so not quite bad as a beginner or a pro. So all you have to do is to simply get an inspiration, an idea from those previous or pro editors here in Fiverr. And of course, if you want to excel, you have to strive more. Now, economical resolutions. The affordability of using Fiverr is one of its main benefits, with a variety of pricing options available from freelancers on Fiverr. So, as a client, you can find high quality video editing services that are within your means. And as a video editor, it's a good opportunity for you to start your in Fiverr as a beginner and someday become a top seller here in Fiverr. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.